Hey guys, what's up? Sidey here today, showing you a little bit more about TrueCrypt. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to create, it's kind of like a sequel to the first one, to part 1, now it's part 2. I'm going to be showing you how to create like a hidden part of it, so one password leads to one part of it, another password leads to a different part of the file. So, open up TrueCrypt, dismount this. Actually, yeah, okay. So now all you want to do is create a volume. Do the first one. The other two can seriously mess up your computer if you mess up on that, so just do the first one on top. It should automatically click it for you anyways. So click next, and do hidden TrueCrypt volume. It's basically like an onion skin. One password gets you to the outer layer, another password gets you to the inner layer. So over here in the creation mode, you want to do normal. I don't know what direct mode does, so if you could comment on that, so I don't have to read about it much in the user guide, that'll be very helpful. So, where you want to save it. Now, I have tried previously to save it to my desktop. It does not work. You can search it. There it is. See, it's right there, so I'm just going to delete it because it's not on my desktop. So, delete this too. Fine, you don't want to delete, just don't. Okay, so you want to create a folder. I'm just going to name it TrueCrypt folder of files. There we go. So I'm actually going to keep this one. Okay, but what you want to do is create a new text file, name it whatever you want. The reason for this is for some reason it doesn't work if there isn't another file in there, so you just want some random file in there. So you just exile that. Now you just select where you want to save it. Desktop. Go down here to TrueCrypt files. Open it up. And right here it should save. So now you want to save it as whatever you want. So let's just do YouTube hidden.tc. Make sure you do .tc. It stands for TrueCrypt. So you don't need to do this because you just don't need to. That's why. So just do .tc. Save. Next. Now here we're into the outer volume, or the outer layers, you might want to say it. So I just do default stuff. Specify how much you want. I'm just going to do 1 megabyte, so the inner layer should have about 700 something kilobytes. So click next. Outer volume will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Display password, make sure it's all correct. Okay, next. Now, here you can see the random pool. You just want to move your mouse as much as you can within this window, and it'll continue to add onto the random pool. The longer you do it, the more secure it is. So yeah, I don't know about these options, the file system and the cluster, but yeah. So after a while, you can just click format. If you did it for quite a while, it might take a little bit longer, but yeah. So now we're done with that. So now you can open up your outer volume. So at the beginning, I'm just gonna copy this in servers. So click next to continue with it. Click yes to that. So your hidden volume, now you're working on that. So you just do the same stuff, go through the same stuff. So yep, see, it's 734 kilobytes. So 734. Oh, whoops, that's 32, 34. Okay, next. Yes. Okay, so hidden volume password. I'm gonna do 4321. You can see right here. That's my password, 4321. Next. It's just saying that can be correct by brute force, so just click OK. So here you just want to move it around more. Within the window, it's good enough, I think. format. Okay, and it'll just be like this. Look at this crap, you can just ignore it and click exit. So now you can exit out of TrueCrypt. Open up this, drag it to your desktop. Has a cool little icon, doesn't it, right? Yeah. Okay, so now to open up TrueCrypt again, to open it, if you remember my previous video, you just want to click mount. So let's do the outer layer, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll show you the password right there. Click OK. So now it's right here, double click, and there we go, servers. So now we dismount it. Actually, wait. Just wondering if we can do this. I'm reopening the outer layer here. So if you want on another drive, you can mount it. Oh, okay, it doesn't work because it's already mounted. Okay, so, and then 4, 3, 2, 1, which was my password to get into the inner layer. Click OK. Double click it, and here it is, we're in it. So that is that. So here we go, let's just create this. Let's just create, this is a tester thingy. There we go. So now let's try to search on it, or search in my computer. This is a tester thingy. See? It doesn't work. And it might, yeah, see, so now on my computer, I have my local disk opened up. So that's that. So if you ever wanted to, you could just leave that open too, but, yeah. So that is how you use hidden, the hidden volume. So please rate, comment, and subscribe. I hope this video helped you out a little bit. So just tell all your friends about it if they would care, because it'll help me and give me more inspiration, if you want to say it like that. But yeah.